Alka scans with the camera. Jim spots a remaining enemy soldier with a surface-to-air missile. The 30mm gun to his line of sight and can quickly engage the threat, decisively ending the contact.
Target, pilot, helmet sight, steady mic firing. Gun, all targets destroyed. Mayhem 5-1, copies, all targets destroyed. Enemy fire has ceased with no friendly casualties. Many thanks, end of mission.
Of its precision strike weaponry, whilst also acting as a deterrent to future enemy action. Concluding the tactical demonstration, Major Traherne will now fly a short routine to display the Apache's impressive range. 100 feet, Jim initiates to 90 degrees nose down, balancing with pedal, before performing a banking twist to recover at 200 feet above the ground. As the aircraft approaches 120 knots, or approximately 140 miles per hour, Jim can once